Ontario in spring feels like the province suddenly decides to show off. Cherry blossoms, magnolias, tulips. And today, me and my girlfriends are heading to one of Ontario's famous tulip farms. Now, I thought this would be a quick little flower stop, maybe an hour. But between the colors, crowds, food stalls, Bollywood reenactments, and Niagara Falls, this turned out into those unexpected perfect Ontario days. Honestly, we picked the perfect day for this adventure. What started as a flower outing quickly became a full girls' road trip. First, meet my friends. Jyoti, kind-hearted, caring, and the steady calm every friend group secretly depends on. Rashmi, today's driver, sunshine provider, and the kind of person who quietly thinks about everyone before herself. And Monica, the nostalgic soul of the group, always ready to turn simple moments into memorable ones. And me, Vatsla, the moment catcher, trying to enjoy the day, film the memories, and occasionally remember where we parked the car. So join the four of us as we wander through these beautiful tulip fields, stroll along the Niagara Promenade, and let this little adventure unfold through my lens.
Hi, I am Vatsla. Along with my husband SD, we share meaningful journeys across cultures, cuisines, and continents. We love slow, intentional travel, discovering hidden gems, local experiences, and the little moments that make each place unforgettable. So far, we have visited 23 countries and we are still adding more. For us, travel is a part of designing a joyful, curious life and a retirement filled with adventure and freedom. Go journey wise!
So here we are, and this is a place we chose to go and see the tulips.
Then you can
Tulips.
to one of the ladies in the yellow hats.
Yellow hats.
Have a great
Okay.
day.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Oh, so as you can see, there are so many people out here. Oh my God.
And then we saw the tulips. Rows and rows of color stretching as far as the eye could see. Yellow, pink, purple, red, orange, white. Honestly, my brain didn't know where to look first. And what amazed me most, this tulip season lasts only a few weeks. Months of preparations for blooms that disappear so quickly. Maybe that's why people appreciate them so much, because they remind us that beautiful things don't last forever. Every row somehow looked more beautiful than the last. It honestly felt like walking through a painting. And wow, I knew tulip farms were popular, but I was genuinely shocked at how many visitors were there. Cars everywhere, families everywhere, professional cameras everywhere. But what impressed me most was how organized everything felt. From parking to ticket scanning to staff directing visitors, everything moved smoothly. Ontario farms have truly mastered the art of turning agriculture into experiences. We started talking about how tulips have quietly become such a huge thing in Ontario. And interestingly, Canada's tulip story actually began with history, not tourism. After World War II, the Dutch royal family gifted tulips to Canada as a thank you for helping liberate the Netherlands. That friendship eventually led to Canada's tulip tradition, especially in Ottawa. Fast forward today, and tulip farms are popping up all over Ontario. Not just because tulips are beautiful, but because farms have realized people are looking for experiences. People want fresh air, road trips, photo opportunities, food trucks, family outings, and slower weekends close to home. And honestly, Ontario tulip farms now deliver all of that. It's amazing how a flower became part of Canadian culture. What started as a gesture of gratitude slowly turned into a spring tradition. This didn't feel like just a farm, it felt like a spring festival. The energy was busy but somehow still peaceful.
You have? Yeah. Do you think that's tulip?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. वो थोड़ा मोटा वाला है.
Yeah.
ये बड़े-बड़े हैं ना. ये भी tulip.
See, that tulip, that yellow one is beautiful.
Different.
Yeah.
They're
They're all beautiful.
ये two colors वाला देखो.
Yeah. Oh my
Oh my
god.
god. कमल लगता है ना कमल का फूल. That tulip is a little obese.
Yeah, what?
Obese.
Oh, they will have some inferiority complex
Oh,
here.
no, sorry.
Let's not do that. You're all beautiful flowers.
ये देखो.
I know. See, that one is so beautiful.
इधर भी है बड़ा वाला. This is totally different.
Okay, tell me.
Has a white feathers on the top.
White feather.
Oh my god. I never noticed that. Oh wow.
Now, let's talk about what really happens at a tulip farm. Photos. Lots of photos. At one point, I think all of us became unofficial photographers for each other.
So Monica, how is this trip turning out?
Fantastic.
Love it?
Yeah, I have no words
Love
to
it.
I
explain.
wish I
Yeah,
could
loving
take
it.
all of them home.
I know.
We just get 10.
Yeah, and it's been 39 years we are here. This
I
is the
know.
first time
Me
I
too.
came here, and because of her.
Thank you, Monica.
First time, yeah.
लोग आने चाहिए तभी.
True. Yeah.
And then someone mentioned Bollywood. Dangerous decision. Suddenly, we were recreating dramatic movie scenes between tulip rows.
देखा एक ख्वाब तो ये सिलसिले हुए
दूर तक निगाह में खिले हुए.
हा हा. Oh God.
One thing I really appreciated was how much there was to do beyond the flowers. There were food stalls, wine sampling, snack spots, rest areas, photo setups. You could easily spend half a day here, and clearly many people were doing exactly that.
Just want to say hello.
Hello, we're from Mary Gisson Winery, just around the corner. We got some really good wine.
Thank you.
So you want to?
Ontario really knows how to turn spring into an event. Flowers and snacks. Honestly, that's strong combination.
Soon it was time for us to collect 10 tulips each. which is part of our pricing package that we have. So these black buckets that my friends are carrying are the ones where we are allowed to pick any 10 out of all of these beautiful tulips. So now we need to decide which one to choose.
Now suddenly, everyone became extremely selective. This one is brighter. No, this pink is prettier. I don't think I have seen adults analyze flowers with so much seriousness. But honestly, taking tulips home somehow made the entire experience feel even more special.
No, when you see it getting cloudy, then you change it. And you can cut them again, just a little bit of a cut when you do fresh water.
Okay, sounds good. Thank you so much.
Now, most people would probably head home after spending 2 hours at a tulip farm. Not us. Someone casually suggested Niagara Falls, and within minutes, we were already driving there, because sometimes the best road trips are the unplanned ones.
With friends, so we are here and we are walking towards the falls right now. There's a lot of crowd. It's a windy day, so it's a bad hair day for sure, and the sun is out finally, and let's just enjoy.
Clearly, we were not ready for the day to end. Good company somehow creates extra energy. Reached Niagara Falls, parked the car, grabbed a quick bite, and started walking along the falls. And honestly, Niagara Falls never gets old. The sound, the mist, the power of the water. Every visit feels a little different. And as if Ontario hadn't already shown off enough, we also spotted magnolias, more tulips, and cherry blossom trees along the way. Ontario in spring really is beautiful.
So the people in the pink jackets in that boat over there are the tourists from the Canadian side. They are going to go and do a loop of the Horseshoe Falls, the Canadian Niagara Falls right there. The ones near the falls in the blue jackets are the ones that are returning right now from that trip. And look at this guy who just zip zap zoomed in front of us on the cable. Nice. These are the Canadian tourists that are coming off one of the boats. And as you can see, those blue jackets over there are the ones on the US side that are also going to do the same experience. And that is where both boats see each other and say hello to each other, and then go and see and do a small loop of the falls. You actually get totally wet when you are there, and the visibility is absolutely zero right close to the falls. You think that, oh, you'll get the best view. You get the water spray actually. Magnificent falls, Niagara Falls. Hi Birdie. You were there at the cherry blossoms as well, right? Have you come here to see the Niagara Falls now? Okay.
What I loved most about this day wasn't just the tulips. It was the feeling, good friends, simple moments, unexpected laughs, and appreciating the beauty that exists so close to home. Sometimes the best travel memories don't require flights or elaborate plans, just good people and a willingness to say yes to the day. I hope you enjoyed this Ontario spring edit. Have you visited a tulip farm before? Let me know in the comments. I would love to hear where you went and how your experience was. And if you enjoyed traveling with us today, please do like and comment and subscribe. It genuinely motivates me to keep creating more films and sharing these moments with you. Until next time, keep traveling slowly, keep noticing the little things, and never underestimate the power of a spontaneous girls' road trip. Go journey wise! Go Journey Wise is coming to Substack. Many of you have asked for more details beyond the videos, itineraries, travel tips, hidden gems, budgeting, slow travel ideas, and the moments that don't always make it into the vlog. The Substack will include travel stories, practical guides, reflections from the road, and honest experiences from our journeys, often through a Canadian traveler's perspective. Some posts will help you plan your own trips, and others will simply make you feel like you traveled with us. So stay tuned, the stories are just getting started.